Live.
Good morning, everybody.
Where are we?
What time is it?
It's 7:50 a.m.
7:50 a.m. on a Tuesday. March 18th. I've been up since 2 a.m. We had a grind.
Yeah.
Everybody back in the States is grinding. I had to keep up.
While I was slumbering away.
She was having dreams about...
Guys, I have to tell you about my dream right now. It involved people from my high school. Anyways, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. We are in WAIHEKE, New Zealand. And guys, I swear there's rats or monkeys running on this roof. What do you think?
I thought it was you this morning. I thought you were walking around pitter-pattering.
No, but yesterday.
It's not monkeys. Don't make us stop.
Monkeys?
It's not.
If y'all are from New Zealand, what is running on our roof?
There are no native species of monkeys in New Zealand is what we found, but you never know.
You never know.
There definitely should be monkeys here. There's no monkeys here. There should be.
Monkey see, monkey do.
There are lemurs though. Anyway, your dream. Sorry.
Yeah, anyways, we were getting sidetracked. First off, before we hit my dream, we're staying in the prettiest Airbnb. Like, it's actually adorable. You guys have to look at this. It's such like it's giving loft layout, but really big. Like, it's definitely not the size of a loft, but the way that they've managed to like compartmentalize a bed, elevated, and then have like this glass thing, it's pretty cool. I'm obsessed. So this was my dream. Have y'all ever played the game Rainbow Road on Mario Kart? Because it's a very thin road, and like, it's just like this. My dream was basically that I was in charge of driving a group of high school cheerleaders that I used to cheer with at our public school in a car on a road like that. On a road like Rainbow Road, or like think about like a roller coaster from Six Flags. And obviously, I'm already a bad driver as it is, but put me on a road like that where it's really steep and we're going like this, and we veered off the road and we like crashed. But everybody made it out alive. But there was one girl.
Don't look at me like that. It wasn't me.
It wasn't her. But there was one girl who just couldn't let it go and was talking about it to the whole town, trying to make me look bad. And in my dream, I was like, stop, don't say that. Stop, you're so mean. And yeah, then I woke up.
But everybody survived.
But everybody survived. No one died. No one died in this car crash. We had one day on the island yesterday. We flew in, had the longest travel day ever, which you guys saw in the last video. And then we got here, hopped on a ferry from Auckland to Waiheke. Ferry was actually beautiful. What did you think of it?
It was so nice. And I said it was like 40 minutes, which I thought would be like so long, but it was so nice. And like approaching the island, there was like the mountainous hills, and there were like cows.
It was beautiful. It looked like
guys, the delirium is hitting.
We went and explored town yesterday. We went hiking. Had a little mishap with the Airbnb, but I don't know. We got it figured out.
Well, okay, let's just spill the tea. There was some miscommunication between the cleaners and the host, and so we arrived and the place wasn't cleaned, which it's fine. I understand miscommunication. It sucked because we had just traveled for 40 hours.
And we were wet from swimming at the beach.
Yeah, naturally.
Yeah.
And so we were like, hey besties, like, can somebody come clean the Airbnb? We're gross and want a shower. And they're like, oh my gosh, so sorry. Cleaners, blaming it on the cleaners and stuff like that. And I'm like, okay, whatever, just clean the place. And so they came over. I'm not gonna drop her name, but she has such a New Zealand name. She was so cute, the cleaner.
And she brought a dog named Walter. Bless his heart.
And they hurried and cleaned, took like an hour, and she was chatting with us, telling us the lore of her life and the island, and it was a 10 experience. Like, obviously, it sucked that our Airbnb was trashed.
Yeah, I mean, imagine like traveling all day and then you kill time from when you land off the ferry at 10 a.m. till 3 p.m. because 3 p.m. is check-in. So we literally went to the beach, explored the town, killed all this time, and you come back and all you want to do is shower and just chill out, and the Airbnb's a mess from the people before.
From strangers.
Yeah, like we were kind of upset about it, but honestly, it's okay. And the owners made it right, and the cleaners, like we said, we really liked her a lot. She brought Walter.
Yeah. So I mean, we also like didn't get upset. So the lesson here
Yeah,
is we didn't get upset at the Airbnb house. We killed them
frustrated.
We killed them with kindness.
Yeah, we did kill them with
and that's the lesson here. Just kill them with kindness.
Yeah.
Because you never know who you're gonna meet. You never know the connections you're gonna create.
Real.
Guys, I need to go to bed.
I know. No, you
or
know
I need to eat some pancakes and some espresso.
No, we're about to go get breakfast. I need to gouache on my face really quick and like kind of get myself presentable. But long story short, we're gonna have a fabulous day on the island. I'm so excited and just so grateful and happy to be here, especially with Lonnie Boo. This is like the best duo, I think, because we've got photographer, we've got videographer.
Yeah, content. We have a shared folder and it's already got like what, 500 photos on it, and it's been I lost track of time, honestly.
Having the 24
I don't even know what day it is.
All we need to do now is make an LLC. So
Facts.
Yeah, hire us.
Hire us.
Yay!
Yay!
Let's have a great day. What she chose?
If your stomach is bubbly.
What's from here? You more. Oh my god! How cute! Is that illusion? I think I brought like 3 or 4 swimsuits. Okay, this is one I'm gonna wear today. It's from Dippin' Daisies. Yellow with like little red flowers on it.
What did I just hear? That sounds super weird. Sure. Wait, put it on first, and then I'll see.
Wait, look.
Oh,
It's like kind of, is it kind of matching vibe?
oh, cute!
Wait, what? That's like, it's like this almost.
So cute.
Like, yeah, kind of cute.
Oh, it's Dippin' Daisies?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Hungry hippos. Look at the dog. Oh my gosh. Breakfast today, we are at WAIHEKE Kitchen. Most beautiful view ever. There's also a bulldog that I'm looking at right now. He's so cute. Definitely getting coffee this morning. Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen?
Little bird.
Alana got a flat white and they just made it adorable.
I love bears.
Okay, here's what we decided. We're kind of stressed because I secretly really wanted something sweet and Alana was really wanting the pancakes, but she was stressed because it's just only too sweet, but I wanted the bolognese. So what did we decide on?
Caroline's so smart. She's a college student. She said, go halvesies.
Yeah, so we're gonna do half and half. All right, we just finished eating breakfast. That was delicious. Now,
all French waiters.
yeah, we've had pretty much only French waiters this trip.
It's interesting.
And they do it to practice their English.
They do practice their English, and they were saying that it's easy to get your visa here if you're French.
Yeah, so if you are French,
If you are French.
do whatever you will with that information. It's so beautiful. We're gonna do a little beach day right now. Hopefully it doesn't rain. I think tonight we're planning on going to a winery because apparently Waiheke's known for their vineyards, wineries, all that stuff. But yeah, we're just gonna chill right now. Wait, I got a snail shell too. Wait, yours is really cute. Let me see. Look at that. This is the one that I got.
Oh, cute.
Mine's a little broke.
It'd be cute if I can make necklaces out of these.
This is the perfect beach day, perfect ideal weather. There's also this little mermaid cove over there. We might have to go snag some pics at. But y'all, Alana looked at that whole side of the beach and picked out the cutest shell. She brought back so many good ones. Like this one might have to be my favorite, I think. It's the prettiest little pink. Also, this is giving mermaid tail. And this one is giving like rock, quartz rock. Rock. What did you say this one was?
What I the mermaid scale?
Mermaid scale, yeah.
Really it is.
Look at how cute this bag is. We are getting ready for dinner tonight. We made reservations at this place called Mudbrick. Beautiful vineyard, supposedly really great food. So we chose either a 2-course meal or a 3-course. And you already know we went with the 3-course meal. It's about to be awesome. But I'm gonna do a little makeup just to get ready. I also think I'm gonna curl my hair just because we do have quite a bit of time. And I love this little ring that I ended up getting today. It means long distance, apparently.
In Morse code.
In Morse code, yeah. Yours. No, I don't want it all. Hair is all curled. I didn't have any hairspray or my Caro hair oil, so hopefully it does not fall. But this is the completed OOTD. We're gonna wear heels tonight, so that kind of feeds into what we're having a little dilemma with right now, which is one, getting a taxi to come get us, or maybe taking the bus. It's pretty hilly here though, so there's no way that we can walk in this, especially with heels on. So I'm really hoping that the phone number that Alana's trying to call right now ends up working out.
Girl, I'm going to Uber.
My mom got me this necklace set from Anthropologie for Christmas. I think there's like 4 different necklaces that come with it, and it's like a stacked little tier thing, but I ended up bringing 3 of them. So the first one is this little multicolored bead one. Alana, I might need your help styling this. Then we have this one with little clear beads and shells. And then this is like a cute little locket. Should I wear all 3 together, how it's supposed to be stacked, or should I do 2 or 1?
Do these 2. Oh, yeah.
Cute! Guys, look
Thumbnail.
at how cute her little sweater is. I'm like obsessed with this yellow. Getting ready for a wedding in this room would be...
Did we do a tour?
I don't know, did we do a tour? We never
Look at
did a house tour either. we never did a full house tour, but I feel like it's... You can kind of tell just because it's like a smaller space. But getting ready in here for a wedding would solve all my problems in the world. Not even kidding, guys. It's beautiful.
It's
so
cute.
Peaceful.
It's cute. It's mainly because, like, I mean, look at this situation here. I mean, look at the vibes.
Like when Alana was journaling and I was curling my hair. So peaceful.
I mean, okay, forget about the vacuum. Forget about the bedspread. But you guys see it. You see it.
Like, even this dresser, are you kidding? Are you joking?
You see it. See? Oh, there's this chair behind me. And then, like, the jungle.
Hi friends, we're currently waiting at the bus stop right now, and we're gonna try this transportation thing out because the taxis didn't end up working out. But we're going to Mudbrick. I'm so excited.
It's on the island to get the I've got sunset here as well.
Oh wow, this is gorgeous. We finally made it. That was so stressful.
Up until yesterday, you were a memory in a bottle, washed away before I went away to college. I safely stored